Amino acids. Amino acids are formed of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, along with nitrogen. Some of them can also contain sulfur. There are over 200 amino acids, out of which only 20 amino acids and their derivatives occur in proteins. Each amino acid has at least one carboxylic group, which is the COH group, and one amino group or the NH2 group. Such compounds, which have an acidic as well as a basic group, are called amphoteric compounds. Amino acids are of two types: the D amino acids, present in antibodies and bacteria, and the L amino acid, which participate in protein synthesis. Amino acids act as zwitterion or the dipolar ion. Types of amino acids. On the basis of structure and reaction, amino acids are of the following types: the neutral amino acid, which includes glycine, alanine, valine, leucine, and the isoleucine. Acidic amino acids include glutamic acid and aspartic acid. Basic amino acid includes lysine and arginine. The sulfur containing are the cysteine and the methionine. Alcoholic amino acids, serine and threonine. Aromatic amino acids are tyrosine and phenylalanine. And the heterocyclic amino acid includes proline and the hydroxyproline. The aliphatic amino acids are glycine, alanine and valine. Glycine is the simplest amino acid because here the R group is replaced by hydrogen. Most needful amino acid is methionine. It is the starting amino acid for any protein synthesis. Amino acids which are stored in tissues are alanine, glutamine, proline and serine. Peptide bonds. Peptide or the amide bond is a linkage, established condensation reaction between amino group of one amino acid and the carboxylic group of the second amino acid. The peptide bond consists of peptide linkage. Condensation between two amino acids produces a dipeptide. This is in the diagram. You can see a peptide bond is produced, which is CONH bond between two amino acids by loss of one water molecule. Function of amino acids. Proteins are polymers of amino acids. Glycine forms porphyrin nucleus in chlorophyll and heme. Glycine therefore is used in the synthesis of chlorophyll and heme. Cysteine produces disulfide linkage amongst polypeptides. Tyrosine forms skin pigments melanin and two hormones thyroxine and adrenaline. Histamine is formed during allergic inflammatory reactions. It causes dilation of capillaries, decreases blood pressure, constricts smooth muscles of bronchi and uterus, and increases gastric secretion. Peptidoglycans are structural units of prokaryotic cell wall. Glutathione is a coenzyme of oxidation reduction reactions which consists of a tripeptide of glutamic acid, cysteine and glycine. The chemical is important in preventing oxidative damage to erythrocytes. Bradykinin is a powerful arteriolar dilator and brings about increased capillary permeability. Proteins. Proteins were discovered by Mulder. Berzelius gave the catalytic concept and also gave the word protein, which means first rank. Protein holds the first place in the body. Our body is made up of mainly proteins. Protein consists of carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen and sulfur. Proteins are macromolecules or they are polymers of amino acids. Only 20 amino acids participate in the formation of proteins. Proteins are large-sized mixed polymers of L amino acids joined by peptide linkage. The macromolecules are formed of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen, and in many cases sulfur, iron, copper and phosphorus may also be present. They cannot pass from permeable membrane, forms colloidal solution, forms buffer solution, power of contraction is present, structure of protein. Proteins which are mixed polymers of amino acids can have four structural levels: primary, secondary, tertiary and quaternary. The primary structure. Newly synthesized protein is called the primary protein. It is a straight chain protein which contains only peptide bonds. It is the most unstable protein. However, initially all proteins exist as primary protein. The distance between two adjacent peptide bonds is 0.35 nanometers. Primary structure does not give any information about the functional properties of the protein. Coming to secondary structure, helically coiled protein. In this, hydrogen bonds are also present along with peptide bonds. Hydrogen bonds actually maintains the secondary structure of the protein. Secondary structure is of three types: alpha helix, beta plated and the collagen helix. Alpha helix. In this, intramolecular hydrogen bonds are present. The polypeptide chain is spirally coiled, generally in a clockwise or right-handed fashion. Glycine and proline are unable to form hydrogen bonds. They are called helix breakers. Helix is the final structure in certain fibrous proteins like keratin, present in hair, nail and horn, and epidermis of the skin. Keratin is also scleroprotein, cannot be digested by any enzyme, present in hair. Coming to beta plated sheets. In this, intermolecular hydrogen bonds are present. Two or more polypeptide chains come together and forms a sheath. Condensation is little, however, twisting occurs. The same polypeptide may fold over itself to form two strands for beta pleating. Adjacent polypeptide chains may occur in parallel or anti-parallel direction. Cross linkages help in stabilization of pleated sheaths. Protein of secondary structure maintain gel state of protoplasm. Silk protein is an example of beta pleated sheath, fibroin. Linus Pauling got Nobel Prize in 1954 for study of alpha helix and beta plated structure of proteins. The collagen helix. Collagen has a large amount of glycine, proline and hydroxyproline. They run parallel, forms a right-handed superhelix that is stabilized by hydrogen bonds. The triple helix of collagen is often called tropocollagen. Collagen occurs in those tissues where extensibility is limited: connective tissue, tendon and bones. The tertiary structure. Highly folded protein, globular in structure. Tertiary structure is stabilized by 5 types of bonds: peptide bonds, which is the strongest bond; disulfide bond, the second strongest bond; hydrogen bond, which is the weakest bond; ionic, electrostatic or the salt linkage; and the hydrophobic interaction, which are not true bonds but involve coming together of nonpolar R groups of two amino acids. Quaternary structure. Globular. When two or more than two molecules of proteins of tertiary structure are connected to each other through various bonds, then the structure becomes a quaternary structure. Most stable protein. Hemoglobin has 4 polypeptide chains. Insulin consists of 2 polypeptide chains. Alpha chain of insulin consists of 21 amino acids and beta chain of insulin contains 30 amino acids. Total 51 amino acids are present in insulin. Molecular structure of insulin was described by Sanger, who got Nobel Prize.